Hello guys! It's me, Mara, at today ay maglalaro tayo ng Don't Burn the House Down! Let's go! Don't burn the house down. Start day 1.
Hey kiddo, I'm going to be home late from work. I left a task list for you. Please finish the list before I get home. Don't get into trouble and don't burn the house down. Your mom.
Guys, sabi ni Mama ay malilate daw siya ng uwi. Kaya nag-iwan siya ng note sa atin na mga kailangan nating tapusin dito sa loob ng bahay. At wag na wag daw nating masusunog ang bahay, okay? Okay, Mama! Let's go! Ito na guys, task list. Meron tayong 3. Take a shower, clean room, and feed the dog. Baka maligo muna ako guys. Kailangan nating maligo muna bago ang lahat. Shower! Open! Woo! Parang ang lamig guys. Woo! Lamig. Pero kailangan nating maligo. Yay! We have completed the task. Next. Huh? May nag-doorbell. Your friend Joey is at the door. Hey, let's chill right now. I'm not grounded anymore. I can't, but I brought some firecrackers. Wanna see? Yes! I knew you would come. Check this out. Pero kailangan muna nating mapakain si Boxy, yung aso natin. Ayun, yung dog food niya. Kainin na natin si Boxy. Boxy! Come on! Ito na yung food mo. Yay! Ano pa ba yung next natin? Oh, nawala. Sige, isa pa guys. Uunahin ko munang pakainin si Boxy guys. Baka kaya na deads tayo dahil nagutom na si Boxy. Kaya unahin natin siya ngayon. Okay. Your friend Joey is at the door. Tara guys, puntahan na natin yung friend nating si Joey. Let's go! Hi Joey! Kanina ka pa ba dyan? What do you wanna do with Joey? Let's eat something. Tara, kain muna tayo, Joey. Baka gutom ka na. Ooh, ramen. Favorite ko to, Joey. Sana magustuhan mo rin. Ooh, kumakain ka na pala dyan, Joey. Masarap ba? Oo, parang nagustuhan mo ah. Masarap ba yung pagkakaluto ko dyan, Joey? Bilis mo naman kumain. That was yummy. Hey, let's watch some TV. Okay. Tara, samahan natin si Joey manood ng TV. Uy, sa start na pala. Parang Voltes 5 ah. Okay ka lang ba dyan, Joey? Oh! Ano yan? Joey says, I was laughing so hard and I had an accident. Yeah. Clean it up. Oh no, it's getting late. I gotta go. See you soon. Bigla mo akong iniwan, Joey, pagtapos mong umihi. Parang Mickey Mouse pa yung ihi mo. Ew! Tara. Linisin na natin to, guys. Kailangan daw natin linisin bago pa dumating si Mama. Oo nga, maamoy niya to ang panghi-panghi. Punta tayo sa Target. Let's go! Ooh! Fancy! Fancy ng grab naman natin. Let's go guys. Kailangan nating bumili ng panglinis. Oops, sorry. Kailangan natin ito. And paper towels. Tissue. Ano kaya ito? Tara, bayaran na natin sa cashier. Go. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you too. Go guys. Uwi na tayo. Let's go. Natin sa loob ng grab. Ay, yun na nga oh. Tara, linisin na natin guys. Clean mess. Yes, kunti na lang. Complete that task. Oh, sino yun? Technician says, I am here to fix your power bank. Wala naman eh. Oh, hi mama. Ang fancy mo naman. Day 1 clear. Yay! Ang galing natin guys. Continue. Hey kiddo,
You have one new notification.
Smells like rotten meatloaf.
Ew.
Also,
Okay po, Mama. Maglilinis na po ng kitchen at saka ng mga maduduming labahin. Maybe I should watch a movie before I finish my task. I love cleaning. Maglinis muna tayo, guys. Oh, hi, Boxy. Okay, kailangan natin mag-water plants muna, guys. Water plant! Yay! Ito daw yung mga kailangan natin gawin ngayong araw, guys. Tara naman sa kabila. Last plant. Yay! You have completed the task. Boxy, wag! Ano yung ginagawa mo, Boxy? Oh no, Boxy is eating something bad. He may get sick. Hala, Boxy! Boxy is very sick. Call na Uber. Hala, Boxy, bakit mo kinain? Tara, punta na tayo sa pet hospital agad, guys. Para mapagamot natin si Boxy. Sige na, dalihan niyo po. Para po mapagamot po namin si Boxy, yung aso po namin. Hala, andito na tayo sa pet hospital, guys. Ayun yung nurse. Tanong natin. Oh, goodness. Let's get the little dog some help, please. Okay po. Kailangan natin maghintay, guys. Kamusta na kaya si Boxy?
Run up towards the light. Get Boxy to the top.
Kaya natin to, guys. Akyat lang tayo. Tapos dito pa. Dito. Akyat.
Run up towards.
Di pa na tayo. Ano ba yan? Kaya natin to, guys. Ito na.
Run up towards the light. Get Box.
Guys!
Run up towards C to the top before out.
Wait, kailangan natin kumalma. Wait. Ito na talaga. Hindi na lang sana kanina eh. Guys, parang nawala si Boxy. Boxy died. Poor little guy, let's try again. Namatay si Boxy, guys. Dito natin, di pwede yun. Oh no, the power to the house has been... Hala,
Complete the
nag-brown out
obstacles
daw.
to get to the power box.
Hala. Okay, brown out daw sa bahay, guys. Kailangan natin makalagpas dito para magkaroon ulit ng ilaw. Woo! Last. Nakabahan ako. Woo! Up lang. And jump! Jump lang tayo, guys. Jump! Woo! Kailangan natin tumalon dito, guys. Jump! Yes! And ito na yun. Kailangan natin kunin yung susi. Switch. Yes! Yay! Yun! The power has been restored. Great job! Ayun. Hugasan lang natin yung dishes, guys. Ayun, ang dami hugasin, no? Pero mabilis lang yan. Diba? Ang lamig ng tubig, ha? Yun, no? Ang bilis natin maghugas, guys. Huh? Hala, nagbara daw yung lababo, guys. Ano ba yan? Kailangan natin pumunta ulit sa Uber para makabili tayo ng mga gamit para hindi na magbara yung lababo, guys. Para pagdating ni Mama, ayos na. Dito na tayo sa hardware, guys. Kailangan daw natin ng you need Drano. Ano yun? Tara, guys, uwi na tayo. Live. Kailangan na natin umuwi. Tara, guys, kailangan na nating maayos yung nagbara na, yung parado na sink. Yun, ayos na kaya. Ayun, natapos din natin, guys. Diba may isa pa? Water the plants. Okay, kayang-kaya yan. Ayun, si Mama, nakauwi na. Hello, Mama. Day 2 clean. Yes, natapos natin yung day 2, guys. I will take you to the mall tomorrow. Hello, mamamasyal daw tayo, guys. Sa mall bukas. Day
You
3
have
na.
one new notification.
Hello, guys. Hindi natuloy yung mall namin ni Mama. Kasi may work daw siya. Kaya ngayon, ako na lang ulit dito sa bahay. Kailangan nating mag-clean the fireplace, feed the dog, order lunch with DoorDash. Okay. Tara, guys. Sino naman kaya yan? Your friend Jessica is at the door. Yun, may friend tayong bumisita, guys. Huh? Hey, let's party. I'm good. 3 years na daw kami hindi nagkikita, guys. Okay, sige, pagbigyan nga muna natin, guys. Yes, I brought some friends too. Let's party. May party bigla, guys. Bigla may party sa baha. Uy, nasa taas pa tayo ng DJ, yung DJ sa. Yes! Tapos yung pizza pa sila. Grabe. What a party! Sarap naman ng pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Grabe, ang saya-saya nila. Huh? Hala, nasira yung TV natin, guys. Looks like your TV got busted. Hala, kailangan nating maayos to guys bago umuwi si Mama. Tara guys, punta tayo ng Target. Parang SM. Punta tayo ng SM. Kailangan nating bilisan guys kasi sira yung TV. Sino kaya nakasira nun? Tara, bayaran na natin guys. Tara, uwi na tayo. Ayun. Sana maayos to guys. Guys, kung umabot kayo hanggang dito, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe at like na rin. Like the button, go! You have completed a task. Next task natin ay kailangan daw nating linisin to guys. Hala, may sira na naman sa bahay guys. Ano na naman kaya yung sira?
Find both gas.
Talo na tayo dito. Kabalan tayo dito. Fix na natin to.
My time to shine.
Find both gas valves and shut them off before your house blows up.
Ito na guys, umangat na ang septic tank. Ah! Oh! Oh! Ha ha ha! Ah! Napakadali talaga, Kuya Eddie.
Yes! Thank you, Ashu! You were able to shut the gas off and fix the leak. OMG! That was close! Grabe. Kailangan talaga niya. Kailangan ko si Asheru. Ayan na si Mom. Nakauwi na si Mama. Saan ka galing, Mama? Day 3 clear. Mom's mood super happy. Buti na lang tinulungan ako ni Asheru. Dito sa day 3. Oh, kamusta? You see the stuff? So great job. You finished the game. Tapos ni Asheru. At doon na nga nagtatapos ng Don't Burn the House, guys. Na-burn natin